Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you all two very healthy and tasty lunch recipes. So the first recipe I'm sharing here is a rice bowl. Here I have taken around 1 cup of rice. To that I'll be adding 2 or a little more than that water to it and put it for boiling, and I'll add a little salt to season it. And then I'll let it sit, and in the meanwhile I'll start prepping for my paneer. So I have just taken around a block of paneer here, which I'll be cutting into cubes, and then I'll be marinating. So for the marination here I'll be using some dahi, and to that I'll be adding salt, haldi powder, some red chili powder, a little dhania powder, and then I'll give it a good mix and let it marinate there for around few minutes till the time my rice is done. So once the rice is well cooked, I'll strain out all the excess water from it, and then I'll just give it a good mix with a fork to fluff it up. As the rice is well cooked, now I'll take a pan and in that I'll add a little ghee and start searing my paneer pieces. So you have to be a little careful with the paneer because it might burn, because we haven't used a lot of oil, and you just need to keep on turning it, and then you can just take it out in a plate once you feel it's well done. So to go along with my paneer and rice, I'll be chopping up some salad. Here I'm cutting some cucumbers, and I had some lettuce leaves left in my fridge. I'm just chopping it up roughly, and along with that I'll be having some pickled beetroot. Yes, I always have them in my fridge, some pickled beetroot and onion, and I use it a lot in salads. So here I'll just chop up a little coriander to add it to my rice. I have already seasoned it with some salt, and I'll just add this, and if you want you can also add a little lemon in it. Comes my favorite part, that is assembling. I have started to love eating in bowls because that way my portions are well controlled. So after adding the rice, I'll be adding the paneer and the rest of the salad, and just like that your healthy, tasty lunch is ready. So the next recipe is also one of my all-time favorite. It is a cauliflower wrap. Cauliflower is in the season in winters. It tastes amazing and so versatile and goes with a lot of things. So here I've taken a cauliflower head and I'm just chopping it into florets. So now I'll be taking a pan. In that I'll add some water and add the cauliflower in it so that it gets a little boil, not completely cooked, a little parboil. So now I'll be prepping for the marination of the cauliflower. Here I've taken around 2 spoons of besan. To that I'll be adding some bhuna jeera powder, and then I'll be adding the rest of the seasoning, salt, chili powder, some haldi and dhania powder, and then I'll add some dahi to it. We just need the batter to be a little thick, not very runny, but not even too dry. So here I'm adding around 2-3 tablespoons of dahi. Just adjust the consistency according to your own. My cauliflower is also ready. I have just strained all the water from it, and then I'll add it to the batter. Mix it well with your hands so that it gets evenly spread on the cauliflower, and then I'll take a pan again and add some oil to it. Spread it well in the pan so that all the cauliflower can cook at once, and then I'll start adding it one by one, just covering it with a lid so that it gets cooked up in its own steam, and I'll still keep an eye on it so that it doesn't burn. So in the meanwhile I'll start prepping for my wrap till the time the cauliflower is getting cooked. I have taken some dry flour here, and along with that I already had some whole wheat atta. I'll roll it into a wrap and just cook it well from both the sides. Please don't judge my roti skills based on this. I'm not very good at it, but that doesn't matter in a wrap, right? So now you can see the cauliflower is also ready. I'm just giving it a squeeze of lemon. So now comes the assembly part. Here I've taken some homemade yummy hummus, cumin powder, some pickled onion, some cabbage and some coriander leaves. You can add anything of your choice. Now generously spread the hummus to your wrap. I like to make my own at home because I don't feel that the store boughts are very healthy, and the best part is hummus is very easy to make. Then just add the cauliflower, add the salads. I've added some red cabbage and some pickled onion because that's all I had at home. You can add anything of your choice. Everything tastes amazing, and definitely add the roasted jeera powder. It gives an amazing flavor to the wrap. Then just roll it over and just cut it according to your own choice. I cut it into half so that it's easier to eat. You can do whatever you like. And just like that, your another healthy, tasty and beautiful looking lunch is ready. I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button, share and subscribe to my channel, and do leave a comment down below if you want to see more such amazing healthy videos. Thank you so much for watching.